So I met Joe at Grey Wolf Elementary School, the meeting place for the Model A Club cruise, which I was wanting to go on today until this engine issue. But anyway, it was great to see the lineup of Model A's. Joe gave me a couple of Model A distributor caps to try out. This one on the left, it's a little less worn than the second one he gave me, so I'm going to clean it up a bit, do a very light sanding on those central contact points, and pop it in. See if it does the job. It's interesting that the metal is different than that on the one I took out of my Model A. Maybe that explains the rapid wear on those internal points. I cleaned the distributor cap up a little bit. Let me install it and see if this is going to work. All right, let's start it up. Fingers crossed, this will solve the problem. Unfortunately, that did not solve the problem. Sounds almost the same as with the other distributor cap. Now here's a sign of a problem. Looks like the rotor is too close to the distributor cap points. Each one has a horizontal stripe across it that wasn't there before. Yep, all 4 of them. So it's supposed to be 25 thousandths separation. Well, I'm gonna have to do one of 2 things. File down the rotor point or file down these points. I think I'll do a combination. So I filed all the points down, removing the edges. In theory, they're all equal distance from the rotor cap. Now I'm just gonna take a little metal off the rotor cap, trying to get that 25 thousandths gap. So I filed down the contact points on the distributor cap and rotor, so at least they will hopefully not be touching. I may have to take more material off, but before I do, I'm gonna run the engine, see what happens. All right, let's give it another try. Let's see if there's any marks on the contacts on the distributor cap. Still some horizontal stripes on those contacts in the distributor cap. So I'm going to do a little bit more filing and try one more time, or 2 more times. I filed out the distributor cap scrapes for the 3rd time. Let's hope it works. Check the distributor cap again. Still not smooth perfectly. 4th time filing. A lot better. This has got to be it. Try again. Sure feels good to have the engine running good again. Purring along. Really smoky. Can't smell it, but it's up in the mountains. Wildfire smoke.
All the thistle seeds are blowing.
Yeah.
Thank you, Agnes.